Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of chart and graphs in Microsoft Excel. Charts and graphs are essential tool for visualizing and analyzing data. Whether you are a student, a data analyst, or a professional understanding how to create and customize chart in Excel in a valuable skill. Let's get started. To kick things off, let's talk about the various type of charts available in Excel. There are several charts type like you can find into the insert, and from there if I type in here see all charts, and here before that let me click over here, and now you can see there is a several charts. So like the column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, also the scatter pile chart, also the different chart you can find. So we will explore how and when to use each type throughout this tutorial. Now let's dive into creating a basic chart. So first you need to open Excel and input some simple data. Here I already prepared the data with the name and also the subject wise number in there. Okay, so now select the data you want to visualize. Okay, let me select this one, then go to the insert tab in there and choose the chart type that suits your data. Here you can find this one into like this is under the charts group in there. Okay, and also you can use like the recommended charts in there, like one has to recommend it as good chart to showcase your data. Okay, so select in your worksheet and click this button to get customized set of chart that you or we think will fit best your data. Okay, now click over here. Now it's give you the recommended chart, like first one is the cluster chart. If you think this is switch source view, so you can select this one, or you can also use the cluster bar chart or cluster title chart or the start column chart or the different one. This is a pre-designed and also the recommended chart for you according to your data set. Now let's me to go to the all chart, and from there use the desired chart, which chart you want to use it. Okay, for this tutorial I want to use like the line chart, and here you can find in there is line chart with the differ or several stack line chart, or this is the 100% stack line charts or different one. Okay, let me use, and just for example I want to use the stacked line chart, then hit on the OK, and here you got it, the stacked line chart in there. Okay, now we will move into the create customize your chart. So creating a chart is just the beginning, and customization is the key to making your chart impactful. Okay, you can change the chart title and axis level by clicking over the chart and go to the add chart in there. From there you can easily use it by selecting the axis or axis title. Let me use and write here the primary, or I can just say this will be the primary horizontal, and here I will change here like this will be the subject, or this is so right here, and here we got it. So this is the subject wise in there. Now go to again into there, and here you say the charts title. From there you can use their charts title. Where do you want to use? Now is default is say the above chart, and in the center overlay you can easily use it. Now let's use this above chart, and I can just use this one for the I can just use this is kind of the chart of what the students or student number or student grade level. We can say student grade level in there. Okay, so there the thing we can change it by using the element of the chart. Now you can also change the data level by using from here. Now you can see when here I take my cursor, it take me to and shows up here as a preview to data level. You can also use if you want to use it in your chart. Now go to the data table. You can also use, as this will be come up with the also the data table, or you can use this one as like the error bar. When I text my cursor, you can see it's taking as your preview. Also you can shows up this one as grid line, or also use the legend. Where do you want to, like the right top or the left or wherever you want to desert. Okay, let me use into the like into the right. So here we have now into the right. Okay, so by this way you can easily change or customize your chart style or also the graph style in your chart. Okay, now let's move into the another options, and we can say it's the quick layout. If you want to change the layout, you can easily select from here and it can be give you the different layout. Okay, so now we are using this one as this color, and now if you want to change the different color by using here, and it can be give you the different color like in your chart. So now if I select this one, and here we have the now change the color in there. And now if you want to change also the chart style by selecting here, and it can be give you the different chart style. Like if I select this one, so here we have the this chart style. And now if you want to change also the chart type, so you can use from change the chart type, and here you can also now change it into the different chart style by selecting. And like here if I select like something, we have used the line chart, but if you want to use as a column chart by selecting from here, and it can be give you the different column chart style, like this is the cluster style, and hit on the OK. Now we have this one subject wise, and this is our chart style. Now if you want to use or change the data by selecting from here, and if I say this will be, or I can extend this one, like if I am gonna use this one until here, now you can see it gives this one, and here this is subject wise. And if you want to make it as a like the name wise, you can get this one very easily by from the elements. Okay, so by using the different change or data, you can also change here that this one. And now if I change here something, like if I say this will be the 90 and hit on the OK, now you can see it changed here very easily. Or when you can change any data in your selected range, it can be shows up in your data or the graph or the chart in your worksheet. Okay, thanks for watching.